Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's April 1st and we're going to do a tobacco update. Okay, tobacco is one of the new herbs that we're growing this year. And this is Havana Gold. This was planted on the 9th of March, so it's about 3 weeks old. And of course, I've taken others out of here because I actually separated them and potted them up. These here I'm going to share, but they really just need thinned out. If you remember, and I'll try to link that video where I planted these, the seeds are super small, and so I got quite a few in each one of these containers. Now, I didn't save all of them. There's some over here that got thrown out. Some were kind of large, and they would survive. But we only need so many plants, and we have like 3 dozen, and all we needed was a half a dozen. But I figured I'd let these go and maybe make some plans to do something with the rest of these. But anyway, that's where it's going after 3 weeks. These plants are getting some size to them. Hopefully, at least a half a dozen of these will take. This was one of the experiments that I wanted to do, see if I could pot these up, multi-sow them, and pot them up for future information. Because, like I say, the seeds are small, so I end up with a lot in one cell tray, and it'd be better if I could just plant one cell tray and then pot them up. But we'll see. You can follow along with this, see how that goes. But anyway, tobacco is a medicinal herb. There's a lot of different things that it can be used for, whether it be stings, different things like that. I'm not going to go into all the medicinal properties of it. I'm just going to go over the growing part of it. And of course, if you want to see more of this type of content you like to see, or if you want to follow along to see how these come out, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, and give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.